There are so many reasons to embrace your curls in 2025. So if you feel like this year could be the year you finally embrace your curls, which I'm guessing you think so, and that's why you clicked on the video, then here are 5 good reasons why. Number 1 is hair health. Focusing on working with your natural curls rather than against them, using heat tools and creating further damage can promote hair health. And having healthy hair will not only make your curls look better once the damage is gone, but it will also help promote healthy hair growth and faster hair growth, because the split ends aren't going up and up and up your hair. You're allowing it to grow. You'll feel more you. Maybe not straight away, but I personally found that the more I embraced my curls, the more comfortable I became wearing my curls, the more comfortable I felt in myself and in my own skin. And this may have coincided with the fact that I started embracing my curls in my mid-20s and I'm now in my 30s, so I do just feel more confident and comfortable as a person, and I do think that you evolve as the years go on. But I think that embracing my natural hair has helped in that sense, and I just feel more me with my curls. Honestly, when I look at pictures of me with straight hair, I'm like, who is that mean girl? Like, she does not look approachable at all. They're unique and they're part of what makes you, you. And I'm all for embracing what makes you uniquely you, whether that be through your style, sense of humor, personality, and your curls can certainly do that. I grew up as the only girl and the only redhead in my family amongst 5 brothers. So I feel like I'm kind of used to, in a way, standing out. So I am all for embracing your unique self. And I just feel like when you get to the point where you're comfortable and confident embracing your unique self, that's when you're going to feel the most you. It's less effort, kind of. Okay, it is a slight learning curve to begin with, but once you get into it, you realize that curls can really be as high or low maintenance as you want them to be. You can have as simple or as complicated a routine as you want to. If you are someone who spends hours straightening their hair every week, then embracing your curls in some way will likely be faster. But if you're someone who opts for a messy bun and slick back hair all week, then maybe not. But in the same sense, not using heat on your hair will bring your hair back to health, even if you are just wearing it in a messy bun. It's good to switch it up. Sometimes we can get into a rut doing the same hair routine over and over again, straightening our hair every day, going on the same daily walks, doing the same routine day in, day out, that actually doing something different can just add a little bit of something different to our lives, and it can help inspire you more when you just mix things up a bit. You know what they say, variety is a spice of life, so it is good to mix things up every now and then. You don't have to embrace your curls all the time, but it's nice to know how to when you do want to. And if you feel like there's no way you could do a simple hair routine within your week, within your schedule, maybe you're a busy mum, maybe you've got a really busy work schedule, then here is a really quick routine that you can do, and just try it. Just give it a go. I just think if you try this, then it will work for you. First off, you want to shampoo and condition your hair. I detangle my hair in shower when it's soaking wet with conditioner. Then you want to leave your hair soaking wet. Next, you want to take a gel. Really, a gel is all you need for a very simple curly hair routine, and you'll find that the runnier ones are more of a light to medium hold. The runnier ones are just so easy to apply. They're just perfect for beginners. I'm literally just raking the gel through my soaking wet hair and just making sure that all areas are covered, not forgetting the back section. Now I'm just going to brush the gel through my hair. I find that brushing my hair not only helps to distribute the product and get rid of any knots that may have formed between the shower and styling, but it also helps to smooth my curls and create juicier ringlets. See how it's kind of clumping together? And then you just want to kind of put your hands in at your roots and loosen your roots. This is going to stop your hair from sticking to your scalp and make it easier to create your parting when your hair is dry. I would usually add a bit more water when my hair is looking like this because it's a little bit stringy, so if I scrunch my hair now, I'm going to get more of a thinner looking curl clump. The wetter your hair, the juicier your curl clumps will be when dry, so just really bear that in mind. I know that when you apply products to very wet hair, it can dilute the products, but a lot of curly hair products are designed with that in mind, so they're designed to be applied to very wet hair, diluted with water, reactivated with water. Now I'm just shaking my roots slightly to position my hair and just make sure all my hair's falling in place. And now I'm just gonna scrunch. And you really wanna hear that juicy, squelchy sound when you are scrunching. Really just scrunching all the way up to the root. And you can lift and scrunch if you find that you lack definition at the roots, then just really lift your hair and scrunch. Another thing to get right up to the root, you want to tilt your head all the way to the floor, and that's really lifting your hair off of your scalp and allowing you to get right up to the root. And then I'm going to flip my hair to the other side. You see how I just kind of flipped my hair around my body gently? And scrunch. I'm going to add a little bit more gel at this point, but this time I'm going to glaze it over my hair like this. To the other side. If at any point your hair is starting to look stringy, just add more water. You can always remove a bit of excess water before diffusing your hair dry or air drying so it dries quicker. If it's a little bit stringy, I will just wet it and then just rake my fingers through and then just give it a little shake at the ends, and then I just find that that helps it go much juicier. Look how juicy those have become now. My hair is now ready for drying, so I'm going to diffuse my hair dry. You can air dry if you don't want to diffuse. If you are air drying, then something like these root clips can really help to lift your hair off your scalp when it's drying, to stop your roots from drying flat. So with my hair tilted all to one side, I'm putting my hands in at my roots, lifting, placing my hair in the dryer gently, bringing it all the way up to my scalp. I've got it on a medium speed and a medium heat, and then I'm turning the dryer on. I hold it for about 20 to 30 seconds and then I bring it back down and move on to the next section. To minimize frizz, you can turn the dryer off between sections, bring it back down and repeat, turn it on. And I basically just repeat this on my whole head, flipping side to side for about 15 to 20 minutes. Towards the end of diffusing, I tend to shake the diffuser at my roots and scrunch my hair to get rid of any crunchy casts so my hair dries soft and bouncy. If you want more hold, you can apply a hairspray at this point. The hairspray can dry a little bit crunchy, but just like the gel, once it's settled, you can just scrunch your hair and release any of the crunchy casts. You can also add a little bit of oil to scrunch out the crunch, smooth your hair, lock moisture in, and also prevent tangles between wash days. These are my results. I'm really happy with them. Really defined, juicy ringlets, bouncy, shiny, and a really simple routine. So there we go. Those are 5 reasons why you should embrace your curls in 2025, and a really quick routine that you can follow. I really hope that if you're feeling like this year could be the year you embrace your curls, that you do just give it a go. And if you are about to embark on your curly hair journey to get your hair back to health, then do have a look at my curly hair journal, which I created just for you. This journal has literally everything that you could need to begin with. It's got tips on where to start. You've got wash day trackers, hair growth trackers, places to track your wash days, all your experiments, and so much more. And at the back, one of my favorite parts, a curly hair glossary with so many of the terms that you're going to come up against when you are on your journey. So hopefully it will just help make the process a bit easier. Let me know in the comments if you're going to embrace your curls this year. Maybe you fell off the wagon last year and you want to just try and get back into it. And good luck with it all. And if you are looking for more curly hair tips, then make sure to give me a follow, and I will see you in the next video. Goodbye.